Wait. Hey, friends! Welcome back. Today I drew not one, but two hearts. Yup, double trouble. Sparkling heart, blue heart, heart. Let's look at this first one, the red and orange heart. Ooh, this is the warm heart. It looks like it just ate too many chili peppers. I bet if you touch it, it'll say, "Careful, I'm spicy." Blue heart. Now let's check the blue and green heart. Ooh, fancy. This is the cool heart. This one is super chill, probably sitting with sunglasses on, drinking a smoothie. It's like saying, "Relax, buddy, take it easy." So we have one hot heart and one cool heart. Which team are you on? Team hot chili heart, fire, or team cool smoothie heart, blue heart, ice cube? Comment down below and let me know. And remember, don't let the warm heart burn your fries. And don't let the cool heart freeze your ice cream. Ta-da! Thanks for watching my silly drawing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before the hearts start dancing away. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.